Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make fat gradients in Adobe Illustrator like the ones you saw in the thumbnail. It's really easy and really fast, so take a look. So to make this type of fat gradient, it's actually pretty easy. So let's grab our rectangle tool and make a rectangle same size as our artboard. We're going to fill it with whatever color we prefer, and then hold down Command and 2 to lock it in place so you can't move it anywhere and it's not going to bother you. Next up, go back here and we're going to select the ellipse tool, and we're going to make a circle. We're then going to fill it in with a gradient. You can do that by opening up the gradient panel over here and double click on these dots. You can choose your colors from here. Anyways, hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag to create a copy of your circle. Then select both of them and go to Object, Blend, Make. Next up, double click on this little icon, which is the Blend tool icon. By double clicking, you will open up the blend options. You're going to select specified steps, and I think we're going to go with something like 400. You can always go back and change it later, it's not a big deal. Next, press B on your keyboard or grab the brush tool you can find right over here and draw the path you want your fat little guy to make. So I'm going to make a squiggly line, kind of like this. We're then going to grab our selection tool, select both our gradient and our line, and we're going to go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. And there you go. Here's your cute little fat gradient. I think they just look so cute. They're adorable. I just can't get over them. You can make them any color you want, any shape you want. You can make them follow whatever path you prefer. And they're just so cute and chubby and nice. And it kind of looks 3D as well. And it's also so easy to make. And that's it. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these tutorials you see over here. And take a look at my new shop, Margheritavox.com. I'll put everything in the description down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.